Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share with the items that Beebeecraft sent me, and I'm really excited. I was really excited to get this. Oh my goodness. So anyways, so let me go ahead, before I start off, let me go ahead and let you guys know about the YouTube program that Beebeecraft has going. And basically for this program you must have a YouTube channel, must have at least over 100 subscribers, make YouTube videos, and basically what you will be doing or willing to do is promote their items, and you will be receiving some of their items so you could promote. So this is an awesome way to show Beebeecraft items that are amazing. Yay. So anyways, so let me go ahead and show you what I've created. This is what I received on my project unboxing, and let me go ahead. I will list everything down on the description below so you guys could go over and check it out, as well as their website, and for their YouTube program everything's going to be down there on the description below. So let me go ahead and start off. So they had this elastic cord. They didn't just have this color, they have a variety of colors there. It was so hard just to choose one, but I am so happy with the one I chose. This is my favorite color is aqua, teal. So this is the closest it got to a teal, and it is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So let me show you their what they have on their website, and this is what they have. Hopefully you guys don't see much glare. I do apologize if you guys do, but look at all the colors they have. Let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 42 colors to choose from, and on each row it's a 22M elastic stretch cord, and it's 55 yards, and this is an aquamarine. So it gives you, you know, the various colors, their, you know, I guess their quality, and it is a very good quality. Look at you guys, look at some cords you could stretch and they don't go back. That, you know, look at, I love it, love it. So what did I create with this? You guys want to know? Let me go ahead and show you. So let me put that in here, put that there. So I created, well, this is the first one I made. Okay, so this is a little where you put your sequins stuff in there, and I basically did a cording here so I could hang my hanging element. After they're done with this bottle and they want to reuse this on another project, they could actually do this, and they could be like a little hanging element. So this one went in here. That's what I created, and that is, I love, see how versatile, it's so easy. So I do want to say, I don't know if some crafters might be aware, but once you cut this, you have to make sure when you cut it on both ends, you do have to go with the lighter and basically do this effect, so that way it seals and it doesn't undo, and you have a big mess right here. So I do want to let you guys know, and it's not just with this cord, it's with every cord basically. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a heads up if you guys were not aware of that. And you know, there you go, that's my first project share. And then I also did this, and this one I did an elastic band, and basically what it does, it goes around and make sure there's a closure here for this little notebook. There you go. And my third item, I did this last night. I did another mask, and these are my masks, as everybody is aware, you know, COVID. So these are awesome, feel nice. I actually measured it on my son, make sure it was nice. So all you do here, and oh, here I left it undone so you guys could see. That's why I left it undone. So all you guys have to do is just go do a little things, and it seals it, and you're not gonna have that effect anymore. So you do this, and now you close it, and My knots are still not that good, so I will tell you that. There you go. And there we go, we got a mask done. So there you go. So there you go, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch Beebeecraft. I want to thank you again for allowing me to promote your items. These are so many amazing products, and I will be showing you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me see. There you go. So these are all the items that I received from Beebeecraft, and their items and their stuff is amazing, really amazing. So I will link, like I said, everything down on the description below. Hopefully you guys will go over and check them out. Again, if you purchase anything over $25, your shipping will be free. So awesome, because you guys know shipping right now is pretty expensive. So anything over $25, you do get free shipping. So thank you everybody again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.